Welcome to all of you. I am Prakash Reddy. Today's learning topic is sorting and grading process in the food processing industry. The main learning outcomes: first, what is meant by sorting grading process, then its advantages and the construction and working of the sorting and grading equipments, and enlisting the grading parameters in the food processing industry. First, concept mapping. In food industry, after the receiving of the raw material, they are first pre-processing, in which the cleaning, sorting, grading, trimming, peeling. These are the main unit operations in which these unit operations which are help to reduce the food hazardous and reduce the contaminant particles from the raw material. And finally, we prepared the good quality of the final product. What is meant by sorting operation in the food processing industry? Sorting involving whatever the raw material may be processed food are separated or maybe categorized or divided on the basis of their physical properties. Main four physical properties are used. First, size, shape, weight and color. On the basis of these four properties they are separated is called as a sorting process. By using one or more property at a one time it can be done. Main advantage involving in the sorting process is that reduces the hazardous in the raw material during and also for the during the processing of the product, reducing the wastage, improve the quality of the final product. It's help to mechanical operations like peeling, cutting, blanching for uniform size of the raw material. It also help for the heat transfer during the processing, better for the filling of the into the product into the package. These are the main advantage of the sorting process. Equipments are classified into four groups on the basis of their four properties. That means color sorter, weight sorter, shape and size sorter. Weight sorter, color sorters also available number of the designs. In which the size sorters, there are also categorized into the two groups. First one is the fixed aperture and variable aperture. Apertures that mean the opening size. On the basis of their fixed aperture involving flat bed screen, roller drum screen, variable involving roller sorters, then belt sorter, screw sorter, belt and roller sorters. These are the equipments. Let's start one by one discussion. First one is the weight sorter, separation of the raw material on the basis of their weight. Weight, which is indicate the specifically their maturity of the raw material. High weight of the raw material is indicate the properly maturations. On the basis of the weight, whatever the raw material, they are separated or categorized as per our requirement with the tolerance up to the limit of 0.5 gram. In which the weight sorter machines, you can see this is the example of the weight sorters in which the automatical sorting is carried out. It's involving main parts, that is the counter conveying arms with the weighing balance. These are the counter conveying weighing arms, and at the bottom provided the weight balance or also provided intermediate weighing balance system, in which the automatically controlling device based on the microprocessor and the loading and unloading automatic systems. The main advantage is that separation of the high quality of the raw material is possible, suitable for the specifically high quality of the products like foods, eggs, fish and the meat processing lines. As per our preset standard, we can separate the raw material into the different categories on the basis of their weight. The construction and working of the weight sorters, in which the number of the designs are available. You can see in this design there is the provision of the conveyor systems. In this conveyor systems, the conveyor are moving in this path. There is the provision of the loading and unloading system, the loading of the raw material through conveyor systems, in which the weighing arms are provided at the intermediate section or maybe in the belt conveyors below that belt conveyor system. There should be the provision of the automatic microprocessor based controlling devices. You can see whatever the feed material, this feed material are moving along with these conveyor systems. This conveyor system automatically weighted the material. Material should be required to feed into the series. After the feeding of that material, in this weighing arms, material weighing is calculated. Automatically signal is given to the controlling devices. and whatever the uh, material weight, on the basis of their weight they are separated into the categories with the tolerance limit of 0.5 gram. Low weight material is discharged at the earlier section and higher weight is discharged in the end of that system. The second system in which by using the compressed air blowing system to remove the specific wet material from the conveyance system is carried out. The number of designs are available. This is the simple method of the separation of the food on the basis of their weight. Next, second one is the color sorter. Color sorter equipment used for the separation of the food on the basis of their preset standard color on the basis of specific color grades. Color sorter also available number of the equipments designs. You can see in this first design by using the belt conveyor system color sorters. In the belt conveyor system, the foods are loaded into the series on the belt conveyors. At the top of that belt conveyor provided the camera and also called as the sensors to sense the specific color of that foods and given to the signal to the controlling device and then into the nozzle, which is act as a rejection and selection of a specific material on the basis of their color. If the material is specific material, feed material is required to rejection, then blowing of the compressed air into the nozzles, which is given to the signal by the controlling devices, and material is rejected through this belt conveyor system. And finally we get the selected material and the rejected material from the feed material. Second one is the design in which by using the roller conveyor systems. The same working principle of that belt conveyor system, only difference is that there should be provision of the conveyor system which is based on the rollers. Rollers conveyor systems are provided in which the feed material is flowing from the roller conveyors. At the top of that roller conveyor provided the camera, controlling devices, then nozzles for the rejection of that material through the blowing of the compressed air through these nozzles. To after the blowing of that compressed air, rejected material is away from this roller conveyor systems. In this way, separation of the feed material on the basis of their color. Next, third design in the color sorter system, that is the sensor based, that is the optical color sorter, which is the mostly used in the food processing industry for the separation of the food on the basis of their specific color. It's allowing we can separate the food on the basis of their specific color and also on the basis of their textural properties. Even we can separate or categorize or separate the color sorting process. Even rice, diced carrot, maize kernels, cereal grains, snacks with the high speeds. Number of designs and the machines are available in the optical color sorting system. You can see simple example in which the specific textural property or the specific defects in this color on the basis of their color, we can separate the raw material or the categories of the raw material into the color system. In this design, whatever the feed material, this feed material should be required to properly feeding with the series in this specific color sorting system. There should be the provision of the vibrating systems, there should be the provision of the inclined conveyor systems to continuously feeding of the material into the series in this color sorting system. The main part involving first the sensing the whatever the specific feed material color, there should be the provision of the photocells, that is the sensors which sense the specific feed material color. There should be also provision with the internal laser light system. The photocells sense the color and providing the signal to the controlling devices, and controlling devices which is based on the microprocessor given signal to the air feed nozzle system for the rejection system. Process is very fast in which we can separate the feed material on the basis of their specific color and also required to properly set the color preset standards. On the basis of their specific preset standard, we can separate even the small size of the fruits, then large size of the fruits, then nuts, cereal grain, pulses, etc. The main parts involving in which the first, that is the detectors to detect the specific color of that foods. Then another one similar example of the color sorter equipments in which the working principle is same as we can see in previous. The main, that is the first part, that is the feeding system, in which the material which is fed from this color sorter system. There also be the number of designs are available. Second one is the identification system, to identify the specific color of that feed material. Then third one is the rejection system, that feed material after the identification of specific color on the basis of their preset standard, they may require to properly rejection and the selection of the feed material. The rejection system is mostly involving on the basis of the jet valve, that is the air compressed nozzle system that is operated with the pneumatic nozzle system. There are also number of the designs on the basis of their normal mode and the reverse mode system, in which the normal mode, that means the feed material is whatever the feed material is fed, they directly after the separation of the base of their color, the finally we get the selection and rejection material. But in the reverse mode system, whatever the selected material, this selected material is again reversed for 2 to 3 times in order to get the high quality of the specific selected material in the final product. In this way, finally we get the specific high quality of the selected material on the basis of their color. Next, third group, that is the separation of the food on the basis of their size. Size separation is very simple and important method for the specifically in small size to medium size to large size of the whatever the feed material, in which the separation of the food on the basis of their specific size involving the sugar, salt, cereal, pulses, nuts, spices, etc. On the specific size, we can categorize of the specific high quality, medium quality, low quality of the feed material. It's involving first unit operation, that is the multi-deck flat bed or maybe inclined bed system, in which a single sieve system may be operated into the single, may be operated into the double, triple system, may be operated into the flat or maybe in inclined position. Whatever the feed material, that feed material containing the raw material on the basis of their size, the separation is achieved, in which there should be the provision of the vibrating devices on the basis of the spring provided and the internally provided electrical motor, in which in series system top sieve is used by oversize, that is the perforation is more with compared to the lower size. The feed material containing oversized material is discharged on the top of that top screen, and the medium which is discharged onto the intermediate, and whatever the fine particles, they are collected at the bottom of that pan. In this screening process, we can separate the specific size of that feed material on the basis of specific screen use in the range of 5 cm to 25 microns, and may be operated into the wet or dry systems cleaning. The main parts involving the electrical motor, spring, sieves and the body clamps, these are the main parts. This is also called as a shifter, used for the specific feed material separation on the basis of their size. The next one is the separation of the food on the basis of size by using the rotary drum screening system, which is operated continuously, in which the rotating drum, you can see this is the rotating drum, in which the sides are perforated. Specific sieves are used for the specific raw material. There should be the provision of the rotating drum, which is the rotate with the lower than the critical speed, provided the slightly inclined positions, internally provided the shaft, electrical motors, then feeding system and the collection system. Specific angle of inclination involving 5 to 10 degree of the angle of inclination. The perforated metal drums with the stainless steels may be operated into the series and the parallel system. You can see there should be the 3 designs involving. The first design involving, that is the concentric drum screen. Concentric drum screen, that means in which the main 3 drums involving. First one is the centrally small diameter, then medium diameter and large diameters. They are inserted to each other. Whatever the feed material, that feed material is fed into the central drum, in which the perforation of the central drum is very large. Then intermediate drum, which is the medium perforations, and the outside drum, which is the fine. On the basis of the feed material, they are separated into categories, that is the very large size, medium size, intermediate size and the small size particles. Similarly, we can operate into the series system. In a single drum, there should be at the single drum they are divided into the sections, that is the very fine section, medium size section and the large size section. By providing the specific perforations on that rotating drum, feed materials are categorized into different categories on the basis of this specific size. They can be operated into the parallel systems in which using three drums at the top provided large perforations, then medium perforations, then small perforations. The feed materials are separated into the very large particle, medium particle, intermediate particles and the fine particles. In this way, we can separate the whatever the feed materials on the basis of their size, and finally we get the specific size and the specific quality of the raw material. The next one is the design, that is the separation of the food on the basis of their size, in which the specific raw material involving the raw material, if the size is in round and the oval, that is the fruits, vegetables, then citrus related fruits, etc., in which the lemon, tomato, orange, grapes, etc. These fruits are separated on the basis of their specific size, involving rotating drum fruit sorters, in which the rotating drums, these drums are the perforated drums, in which the perforation of the drums is changed with respect to the specific feed system. At the previous first, that is the perforation is small, then large, then again perforation is large. These are operated with the power transmission devices, in which they are rotated at the same speed with the same directions. The feed material should be provided at the feeding to the hopper, through which the feed materials are moving on the top of that rotating rollers, perforated rollers. The oversized material is passed from the first to second to third, and undersized material is passed from the inside of the drum, and they are separated by the gravity separation system. In this way, we can separate the feed material into the basis of their categories, that is the specific size. The next one is the roller sorter. By using roller conveyor system, the feed materials are separated on the basis of their size, in which the rollers, these are the rollers, distance between the two rollers is called as a pitch. Distance between the two rollers are changed with respect to the flow of the material from this roller conveyor system. In this, you can see this is the roller conveyor system. When the material is fed from this roller conveyors, the distance between the two rollers is changed with respect to the length of that flowing of that roller conveyor system. The feed material, whatever the feed material, if the feed material size is smaller than the distance between the two rollers, that the pitch, then feed material is dropped on between the rollers, and finally we get the separate the feed material on the basis of their specific size. In this way, we can separate the specific round shape feed material, or whatever the fruits, vegetables materials are separation is carried out. Next one is the simple design, that is the roller sorters, which is operated without any mechanical power. The simple system in which there should be the provision for a very small scale industry for the separation of the food on the basis of their specific size, that is the round shape of the fruits which are the separated in this roller system. These are the rollers in which their rollers are in inclined positions, and the distance between the two rollers in this distance is changed with respect to the length. The feed material, which is the feed material at the top, after the feeding of that material, the material is moving along with the between the two rollers. The gap between the two rollers on the basis of their separation is achieved. We can separate the feed material by manual system into the 3 to 4 categories. Next one is the system, that is the belt sorter system. Belt sorter system, in which the moving belts, you can see the flat belt system maybe, or maybe into the rope belt system. These are the belts: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the number of the belts in which the two belts, whatever the feed materials, these feed materials are moving along with the two belts on the top of that two belts. The distance between the two belts are varies along with the length of that belt moving in this line. You can see in this picture, these are the inclined belt system. These are the two blades. At the top of that belt provide feeding the raw material. The distance between the two belts, that is called as a pitch, and the distance between the two belts is varies along with the feed to outlet section. In this way, if the distance between the two belts is larger than that of the feed material, then feed material is dropped between the roller conveyors, and finally we get the separation of the food into the on the basis of their categories. Feeding of the material from this in this way, then materials are separated into the first, second, third, and fourth, and finally fifth categories.